guys and herzlich willkommen in Frankfurt. I am here today for a very sad event. This is no delivery, no hello, it's like farewell, and it's the last flight of Lufthansa 737. They're hosting a special event here with journalists to say proper farewell to Bobby, as we call it, Lufthansa's last 737-800. 737-300. So we're gonna fly him up to Frankfurt and back again. It's so crazy because I'm just thinking about how when I was little, like there's a few planes look weird to me. Like I see the A300 looks a little weird, and because I haven't seen them so much when I grew up, and like same with the 727, those types of things. But even a 737 without winglets, or like a 757 without winglets, looks so dated to me because I'm not used to it. And I'm just thinking about these future generations that are gonna think that these 737s, like 737-300, 400, and 500, look so dated. It's just crazy to think. So come with me. I'm super excited again, and hopefully we'll have some very cool flights today. So I'm here with Katie again. You might recognize her from Munich, and you can introduce yourself if you know.
Yeah, I'm Andy, on Instagram Aviation, or Airbus Boeing Aviation.
I'll put it down below.
Zweimal gibt's hier nicht, nur gegen Geld.
Oh my gosh, you guys, should I keep this safety card? And it looks like I'm lucky so far. In all the photos you see from this event, when you see me taking photos in the video, but more specifically, or more relevantly, I guess, the photos on my Instagram and the photos that I've linked in the description, which you can download, make your background whatever you want. I've been using the Moment lens as my wide angle lens, and I love it. Basically, I dropped my Olo clip behind a business class seat, and it was gone forever. And although I love the Olo clip, I wanted to try something new, and I have been loving this Moment lens so far. I think it's even more wide angle than the Olo clip. You can see all the examples in I guess in my photos below. Hope you enjoy those, and please tweet me or send me pictures of my photos as your background. I'd love that. Alright, enjoy the video.
Sein zu dürfen. Begrüße natürlich besonders die Kolleginnen und Kollegen sozusagen.
little shout out to Ryan. If your mom was a flight attendant on this flight, she's done a great job, and best of luck with your pilot training.
Ja.
Nee.
See you later. Did you see that they literally turned the entire aircraft off for a second? Like, all this is, it was dead quiet. You could hear the wheels rolling. That was pretty cool, and they just towed us into the hangar. And now we're here with a 737-500 behind us, and here's the aircraft we flew in right here.
Einmal für uns gestaffelt. Ja, mit dem Lufthansa-Schützer. So, kommen Sie nach vorne
auf die vordere Kante.
Auf die vordere Kante. Stopp, 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 stopp.
Meine Damen und Herren, ich darf Sie ganz herzlich willkommen heißen hier in Hamburg bei der Lufthansa Technik. Muss man, wenn der CEO der Lufthansa Technik
I have a translator.
hier am Stand Überführungsflüge stand.
Have a good day.
Bye, thank you. Hello again.
Hi, good to see you.
Von der Technik her gehen alle, aber das passiert aber die Anzahl der Großraumflugzeuge, die an die Gates gehen.
Probably my last takeoff ever on this aircraft.
Das ist übrigens auch der Grund, warum wir Flugzeuge kaufen. Und ich glaube, das wird beim Hobby und das, was wir alle empfinden, wird das sehr, sehr deutlich. Manchmal muss ich vergegenwärtigen.
The reason for that is that we really cares about our passenger and our product, and that we really feel responsible for what we are doing. And I think this is quite different, or maybe a little bit different to other airlines.
Alright, and what's your favorite part of your job?
Yeah, my favorite part is being responsible for the operation as a whole, and in particular for flying in itself.
Yeah.
As I told you before, I'm a captain on Airbus 320. Tomorrow morning I go to Roma.
Really?
Yes.
You're flying, you know?
Yes. And at 11 o'clock I'm at the office again. So that's my business.
Amazing.
Yeah.
So as you saw, I just had a really interesting little Q&A with Lufthansa's Frankfurt Airport CEO. So there's Carsten Spohr on the highest level, and then underneath there's this guy Klaus Froese, I don't want to mispronounce his name. And then there's the CEO in Munich, and I'd love to interview him more extensively another time, of course. That was it. Lufthansa 737 is no more. I really hope you enjoyed this video, guys. I'm just gonna deboard now. But as I said, I really hope you enjoyed. I can't clap because I'm holding a camera. So I really hope you enjoyed this video, coming with me on this sad day. It truly was a scary Halloween for me. But let's hope for more fun days on these old classic 737s. This one is being resold, so it won't go to the scrapyard quite yet. So if you want to see more from me, make sure to check out my social media. It's all in the description below. And of course, subscribe if you really enjoyed the video for many more like this in the future. And until I see you guys next time, fly safe.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Thank you.
Bye.
Goodbye. Thank you.